Hey guys, RC Bros Productions here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to be reviewing a new video drone I got off of Amazon. This drone was about $60, and we're going to get into the unboxing here. So the first thing we see is that got a bunch of these air packs, don't need these. And next we see that we have the actual drone itself. Here's the front of the box here. Looks pretty nice. It's got the actual picture of the drone, as you can see right here. And it looks like it has just the app stores you can get it on. And it just tells you what the drone's name is and stuff like that. Sides of the box are pretty they got nothing on them, and on the back you just got all the warnings. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's open this baby up. Alright, now we have the actual box open. As we can see on the top, it's pretty uneventful. Pulling off this layer though, wow, this drone actually looks pretty nice. It is a foldable drone, which makes it, I actually really like that because it's very compact. As you can see, it's pretty light in hand. Let's pull out the props here. They just basically click into place. And there is the drone unfolded. Looks pretty nice. You got our camera right up front here. It's pretty nice. Anyways, now let's get on to the transmitter. And as we see here, this transmitter, it looks like a gaming controller. Actually, hold on a second. As I have my Nintendo Switch up here, as we can see here, just these two, they look pretty similar. Got a Nintendo Switch on the right and the transmitter on the left. So they're pretty similar. As you can see, we got our joysticks here. We got some flipping maneuvers up here, and I guess extra speed. And then, I guess a D-pad. I don't know why we have a D-pad on here, but we do. Anyways, we got an auto takeoff button, or an auto land button. It's also a takeoff, and stop. I don't know why, but we just have stop. Got our power button over here. Now we got a few action buttons right here. Right here, take a picture. This one's the auto land apparently. It says, looks like it's the auto land. I'm not sure, we'll have to test it. Then over here we have, I don't know what that is, to be honest. And then we have a record. So yeah, looks pretty good. Let's see if there's anything extra. I hope there's instructions in here. And yes, okay. So we got some extra stuff in here. Looks like we got some extra props and some chargers, it looks like. And then we actually have the instructions. So that's basically it for this review. Next you're going to see this drone is just going to be in a couple of seconds. You're just going to see it actually flying. We'll show you some flight of it and a video of it. So, hope you guys enjoy that flight and video. Thanks for watching this review. So, this is my first flight of the drone. It's pretty shaky because I was still getting used to the drone. As I fly the drone, I feel that once you go to max speed, it is very fast. I didn't do that on this first flight, but other flights that followed, I went max speed and the thing, it goes very fast. It does some nosedives while going top speed. And when it does flips, it actually looks pretty nice. So yeah, just enjoy the rest of this flight.